G'day, my name's Chris, and on today's very special episode, I'm going to do a review of Crown Executive Club Suite Room 2722. Alright, so when you walk in, immediately to your right, you've got like a little bit of a prep area for drinks, coffees, teas, you name it. And we've got a kettle, we've got a coffee maker, a little bit of glassware along with an ice tin and tongs. A few little drinks here which I'm unsure you have to pay for them, and I'll put them on screen now if you do or you don't. Good to know. Looking at the cupboards, you've got a built-in fridge. Oh, again, I doubt that champagne's for free, do you? Okay, put a comment below if you think it's supposed to be for free. And on this side, we've also got some more drinks and various little bits and pieces so you can make yourself coffees with quite a good selection of different teas. Ooh, ooh, cocoa black. This stuff's great. Wow, okay, maybe later, maybe. So that's the bar area. Let's move over to the lounge. And here, you've basically got like seating for 4 people in comfort with this good looking sized TV. I'm gonna hesitate, about 55 inches or so. In terms of comfort, it's not bad, it's not bad. I would say maybe this one's a better chair. No, there's no side support. There's no side support. All right, let's try over here. Let's try over here. All right. Yes, much better. But now I really can't see the TV, so we'll work out if we can angle that in a second. Reading lights, check. Artwork, check. Just the usual stuff you find in hotel rooms. Got a good looking view. This one's a city view. And we're looking out towards the southwest. So we've got like the Docklands very distant over there. We've got South Bank right beneath us here. These are motorized curtains too, which, let me show you this little demo. Let's check out to see if the TV will rotate. Oh, well, it's rotating because of the base, so a little bit of caution there. Coming over to this side of the room, you've got a desk setup with 2 nice looking chairs, a little bit of a stationery kit. I mean, in this day and age, does anybody still write? I'm not very certain about that. Again, a bit more view, looking over towards like Port Melbourne. Now, being a suite, and this one's like 64 square meters or so, you get 2 rooms. So come with me. We're gonna go now into the bedroom. Beautiful looking king size bed. We've stayed at Crown a few times, and these beds are pretty good. And you've got temperature control, climate control, so you can get the temperature to whatever desired temperature you like, be it cold, be it hot. Another good looking chair, which is, actually this one's better. If I had cushions, I'd like it. Next to the bed we've got telephone, controls for your lights, as well as a plug-in power point, which will be Australian 240 volts, and a USB slot. And then we go to the other side, a lamp, and same again. So there's temperature here, and if there's a similar one over there, I'll put it on screen right now. So iHome, a very generic brand of radio, which has got an iPod sort of Apple iPhone connector, which I don't use. Finishing up the tour, we've got a lovely walk-in robe, so a nice little seat here, and 2 areas you can actually hang stuff. So first one here with some robes, ironing board, spare blanket, iron, and safe. Now the safe is big enough to put a laptop in, probably up to about 15 inches maximum, and some space for your shoes. Then over here, a few pillows, more hanging space, as well as, place for your bag and some drawers. These bathrooms at Crown, I love them. Come on in. Here we've got a dedicated bath with an integrated TV, so that makes 3 TVs in this suite. A double vanity and with some toiletries with a name that I do not know. It might be fancy. So what we got? We've got shampoo, conditioner, body gel and body lotion. So nice little selection there. We've got some toiletry selections, plenty to choose from. Oh my gosh, you got toothbrush, toothpaste, shaving kit, a brush, very nasty looking brush, and an amenity kit. Ooh, for sewing, because you know you have those repairs that you might need to do. Some makeup removers and pads. In here you've got the toilet, or the throne as we like to call it. And then completing this tour, we've also got the shower, which features not only like a handheld, but also a rain shower from the roof. So yeah, it's quite a good suite, isn't it? Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like this, consider subscribing, it's free. Alright, and if you do nothing, be good.